has completed his BTech from Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli in the year 1998 and ME Computer Science Engineering from National Engineering College, Kovilpatti in the year 2007. He has completed his PhD from Anna University, Chennai. His research center is MEPCO Engineering College in the year 2018. His areas of interest are networking, machine learning, cyber security, and IPR. He has totally around 23 years of teaching experience. He has very good number of international, national journal publications, and he has very good publications, international conferences as well. He has published 3 patents so far. He has received a lot of fundings for conducting national conferences and other research works. He's an authorized person. He's an innovation ambassador in the area of intellectual property rights. So now I welcome, on behalf of SSN IIC, I welcome you, sir. Now I hand over the session to Dr. Sendil Madasamy, sir, to deliver his lecture.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'll stop sharing, sir. You can share your screen, sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Okay.
You can share now, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Full screen mattum potukonga, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, it's perfect now.
Okay, good morning to all. First of all, I thank Jay Sai madam and Dr. Suresh Kumar sir for introducing me in more brief. And also, I thank good morning to the participants, that is faculty and students of SSN College. I thank the Dr. Suresh Kumar sir and the IAC team of the SSN College of Engineering for inviting me for this orientation session on IPR. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. In this session, I will be dealing with the meaning of intellectual property and also covering the type of intellectual property rights with some examples. Here in this session, I am expecting more interaction from you. Is it okay? Anybody acknowledge in chat?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first interaction I want from you. Can you post the answer to the chat also? If we consider a building in neighbor's land of 1 feet or 2 feet, the considered building goes to whom? Anybody answer? It may be goes to us or the neighbor.
You can post your answers in the chat box.
Okay, very good. From the Rajalakshmi madam and Ananda madam. Okay, very good answer from you. It's already we know about it. Okay, here infringement taken place, but it is a violation of law is there. Okay, unauthorized act is happened here. It's a violating the one sides. We are violating the rights of neighbor. Okay, that is we are using the liability of the 1 feet or 2 feet, anything, even it may be more than 2 feet also. But it's infringement taken. It's under the touchable property. That is a building property. Building property is the touchable one. That is a tangible property we will mention here. It is a real property we will mention here. It is a personal property also. But another one interactions here, the two-wheeler or vehicles can be registered in which office? Where we register our real property two-wheeler, that is our personal property two-wheeler or jewelry, like that, anything. Okay, that can be registered in will be there. And for the two-wheeler, where we register? Anybody answer? Respective jurisdictions. Okay. For the two-wheeler, mainly registered in where? The specific will be the specific office is available. Already we know. Okay, RTO office, very good answer. Okay, thank you. Two-wheeler RTO office. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. And for the land, we will register in which office? That is already we know about it. Already we most of the members having the land property. Okay, register in the register office. Okay, very good. Thank you for the answer for the interaction. Thank you. Next, intellectual property will be registered in which office? Here we need to know about the intellectual property. What is intellectual property? Okay, already we talk about two-wheeler. These properties are touchable one, but we need to go for the untouchable property. That is, we are going to the intellectual property. Here we will discuss about the intellectual property. What is the intellectual property? But here intellectual property as creation of mind, our mind. Okay, that's our mind cannot be touchable one. That is, our idea cannot be touchable one. That's our thoughts cannot be touchable one. That is intellectual property. That is our intellectual related one. That is here. What are the creation of minds may be there? The inventions, literacy work, artistic work, design, symbols. These are under this one for the creation of mind. But invention may be that's a product or process with a new one. That is a novelty should be new. Novelty should be there, and the inventive steps should be new, and the application will be used for the industry purpose. That is inventions. Under the like that, we can mention the Thomas Alva Edison find invention like that. That's a bulb is there. Okay, these are things will be there. These are farmer founder. Okay, inventions. But literacy work, it will belongs to the novel, poem, music, computer program, and the films will be there. Okay, but under the novel, somebody other writing the novel, they can get the rights. Okay, for using that rights, other can't use their rights. For that purpose, we can get some property rights will be there. But it is a literacy work is one of the intellectual property. They are using their mind. They can writing the story. Okay, and the poem also like that. Music, but already you know about the Ilayaraja music. That is, they have get the copyrights. That is under the literacy work. And the computer programs, some computer engineers will be the computer students will be the you can write a computer program, but I can it is new one, but not nobody writing that program. Maybe if you are getting the copyrights, nobody use your program. That is one of the use of the that's a intellectual property rights. Okay, but it is a literacy work property. Okay. Literacy work property is the novel, poem, music, computer program, and films like that. Okay, and artistic work, they have mentioned the painting, drawing, photograph. But here also under the artistic work, here also we can get some rights. Okay, but it's under the intellectual property. But design, but here we have to use the new shape. Okay, for example, Coca-Cola bottle is there. Okay, that some design is there. Nobody want to use that design means we can have to apply for the copy the design patent. Okay, we got to get it. But design is one of the intellectual property. But and symbols, logo, label, a slogan. But these are under the trademark secret trademarks under the trademarks will be there. But here, if you apply for the trademarks, we can get some rights. But symbol is the intellectual property. But can you understand about the intellectual property? It's a creation of mind. That's a we have to mention property. Intellectual property is the our thoughts. It may be the idea. It may be the non-touchable one. Okay, that is a non-touchable one. This is the intellectual property. For the real property, it is a touchable one. Building, that will be the intellectual property. We will mention as intangible property. We will mention. Okay, for that here we have to get some rights. So for the land property, we are getting the rights is what rights will be there. We can say, use the size of the land. After that, we can't use it. Okay, suppose if you are using the neighbor land, it may be the infringement. That's a violation of law. That may be the that's we have the rights to use our land, but we can't use the other land. Other neighbors can't use our land. These are the rights will be there. Okay, next we will discuss the various type of intellectual property rights. Let us see the types of intellectual property. We can categorize the intellectual property rights and based on the intellectual property related one and literacy and artistic work. Here, what is IPR means? That is it's a rights given to a person over the creation of their mind. For a certain period of time. But here, there is a rights given to the person. But for using, I already talked about that one. And for the inventions, they have some claiming maybe the others can't use the process of other person. Okay, that is a product, other person product. That is a minds. That's a creation time minds. That is inventions. Okay, and also design. Other designs cannot be used. But we have the rights. That will be there, but it should not be available by others. Okay, that is a one. That's a for the patent related one. We will mention like that. But for the period of time, but for the copyrights, we have the 60 years of time will be there. For the patent, 10 years, 20 years will be there. If you are using the other intellectual property, if you are using under other intellectual property, means there is some punishments will be there. Jail. That is these are the options will be there. For that, that's just have mentioned a certain period of time. After that, after 20 years, you have to renew the patent like that. It may be happened. But under the industrial property related one, the what are the types may be there that a patent designs, trademarks, geographical indications. But under the patents, that is they have mentioned that is a process or the product where we can create a new product. We will explain later. Okay, we will the process. We can get a patent for the process. Okay, it should be novelty. We have to meet 3 criteria. Okay, that is novelty, inventive steps, and application. It should be meet. And for the designs, it's a new shape. A new shape will be designed. That should be used for that product only. Okay. Suppose other can't use that shape. That is a design patent. There is another one is a trademarks. That is a symbol. Here symbol can be used. Trademarks is a symbol can be used. That is logo or the slogans may be used for that one. And geographical indications here. That is a famous product in the area. But for example, for the Coimbatore, have the geographical indication is wet grinder. It's a geographical indication for the Coimbatore. For the Palani, the place is Palani. There is a Panjabadam, Palani Panjabadam. It is one of the geographical indication for the Kanchipuram Sari. It is a Kanchipuram geographical indications. Okay, but these are the indications. Tripuri Lattu is under the geographical indications. But here others can't use that. Trade secrets cannot be used. Okay, there is a Tripuri Lattu is a main one, but others can't use the other Lattu cannot be used. Okay, others other test same other